Hello everyone, this is Scott Challam again with B&C Languages. I introduced myself in my first video with various different sounds that you could learn with my accent reduction classes. Now, one that is always involved in almost every class I give, and at some point or another, this comes up. It's the TH sound. Let me show you. There are two different sounds. There's the voiced and the voiceless. I guess that big zero there kind of indicates it's voiceless. So when you say the TH, it's not necessary to make any sound other than just blowing your tongue. I'll show you in just a moment. Then there's the voiced, which does make a sound. It's a complete vibration. You will feel it when you make it. Let's first talk about the voiced TH. The voiced TH has a sound of th, th, th. You take your tongue, you put it between your upper and lower front teeth, and you press down on it. You make it like this. You press down and you blow. You intentionally blow that airstream across your tongue, across your teeth. And when you do that, what happens? Your larynx, your voice box, your upper throat, it makes a sound. And actually, it makes a vibration. And you could feel it. Now, just be sure not to press too hard. You don't want to have those results. Then, and again, that was the voiced. Then there's the voiceless, where you put your tongue in the same position and you make the just blowing, but without pressing. There's no pressing involved. You will not feel anything here. So you go ahead and you go. So there's no real pressing involved. You're not trying to make that vibration sound. Words that are involved in the voiced, the one that you really need to know is the, T-H-E, the. Some people like to say the. It's not the. The is from the Bible. Nothing wrong with that, but that's very formal English. We usually say the. The. And the is spelled T-H-E-E. The is T-H-E. Another pretty popular one is this. This. That's spelled T-H-I-S. This. This. Another one that I get a kick out of is there. There. Because some people don't say there. They say dare. Dare. Not dare. I dare you to do this. You're daring someone to cross that line. It's not dare. It's there. Over there. Another one is breathe. Breathe. I breathe. That's how you take a breath. That's how you live. Don't confuse it with its brother from the voiceless side, which is breath. There's no vibration. Breath. No vibration. And a breath is the noun. Breathe is the verb. All right. There are other ones for the voiceless, such as math and throw the ball. Something that I see happen sometimes is this little confusion between though. Some people like to say dough, all dough. It's not dough. Dough is what you make pizza with. Dough is what you make bread with. It's though, not dough. So it is voiced. The sister to dough from the voiceless side is through, because some people, they confuse those two. They'll say through, and what they really want to say is though. That's just a few examples. There are many others. Give me a call for a free test class at 954-296-5262. This was Scott with B&C Languages. Thank you.